Welcome to 10th Standard Maths, Tamil Nadu State Board. Sample question paper 3. இப்போ பார்க்குறீங்க, ஏற்கனவே 2 சாம்பிள் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் வித் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இந்த சாம்பிள் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரை ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு ஒரு பேப்பர் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நீங்கள் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா நல்லாயிருக்கும். இப்போ நான் இந்த பேப்பரில் பார்க்கலாம். Part 1, you have to answer all the 4 questions. Choose the most suitable answer and write the option code with corresponding answer. First question, the range of the relation are x comma x square. X is a prime number less than 13 is. Second question, the first term of an AP is unity and the common difference is 4. Which of the following will be a term of this AP? Question number 3, if A equal to 2 power of 65 and B equal to 2 power of 64 plus 2 power of 63 plus 2 power of 62 dot 2 power of 0. Which of the following is true? Question number 4, square root of 256 x power 8 y power 4 z power 10 divided by 25 x power 6 y power 6 z power 6 is. Question number 5, matrix A கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What is the order of A transpose? Question number 6, perimeters of two similar triangles are 36 and 24. If PQ equal to 10, then what is AB? Question number 7, A is a point on y-axis whose coordinate is 8 and B is a point on x-axis whose abscissa is 5. Then the equation of the line AB is. Question number 8, point of intersection of 3x minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 8 is. Question number 9, sin alpha plus cosecant alpha the whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha the whole square equal to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Then k is. Question number 10, angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 20-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Height of multi-story building and the distance between two buildings is. Question number 11, in a hollow cylinder the sum of the external and internal radii is 14 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter. Its height is 20 centimeter. Volume of the material in it is centimeter cube. Answer, 4 choice கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Choose the best option. The last 3 questions. Question number 12, total surface area of a hemisphere is how much times the square of its radius? Question number 13, if the standard deviation of xyz is p, then standard deviation of 3x plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3z plus 5 is. The last question, probability of getting a job is x by 3. If the probability of not getting the job is 2 by 3, then find x. So one more question is over. Now we go for part 2, 2 more questions. Now part 2, 2 more questions. You have to answer 10 questions. Question number 28 is compulsory. Question number 15, let f of x equal to 2x plus 5 and x is not equal to 0. Then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. F of x equal to 2x minus 1, g of x equal to x plus 1 by 2. Show that f of g equal to g of f equal to x. 17. What is the time? 15 hours before 11 p.m. Question number 18. Starting salary is 60,000. 80 increases 5% annually. What is his salary after 5 years? Question number 19. Find the LCM of p square minus 3p plus 2, comma p square minus 4. 20th. Solve square root of a into a minus 7 equal to 3 root 2. Question number 21. Slope of a line through minus 2 comma a and 9 comma 3 is minus 1 by 2. Find a. Question number 22. Find the intercepts of 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Question number 23. Prove that tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Question number 24. From the top of a rock 50 root 3 meter high, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is 30 degrees. Find the distance of the car from the rock. Question number 25. Circumference of a conical wooden piece is 484 centimeters. Find its volume if height is 105 centimeter. Question number 26. A figure is given. You have to prove that triangle PST and PQR are similar. Question number 27. Find the standard deviation of first 21 natural numbers. And the compulsory question is probability of getting electrification contract is 3 by 5 and not getting plumbing contract is 5 by 8. Probability of getting at least one is 5 by 7. What is the probability of getting both? So 2 mark question I completed. Now we go for part 3, 5 mark questions. Now 5 mark questions. You have to answer any 10 questions, but question number 42 is compulsory. Question number 29. Set A 1 2 3, set B 2 3 5, set C 3 4, set D 1 3 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D equal to A cross B intersection of C cross D is true. Check பண்ணுங்க. Question number 30. F of x equal to x minus 1, g of x 3x plus 1, h of x x square. Show that f of g of h and f of g of h. Question number 31. Sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 27. The product is 288. Find them. Question number 32. In a GP, T9, ninth term is 32,805. Sixth term is 1,215. Find 12th term. Question number 33. X equal to a square minus 3a minus 4. The whole thing divided by 3a square minus 3. And y equal to a square plus 2a minus 8 divided by 2a square minus 2a minus 4. Find the value of x square into y power of minus 2. Question number 34. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years hence the product of their ages will be 375. Find the present ages. Question number 35. Show that A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. Question number 36. Find the equation of line through the intersection of 5x minus 6y equal to 2, 3x plus 2y equal to 10 and perpendicular to 4x minus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. Question number 37. If root 3 times of sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, then show that tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Again trigonometry. Question number 38. A man is standing on the deck of a ship. A man is standing on the deck of a ship which is 40 meters above water level. He observes the angle of elevation of the top of a hill as 60 degrees and the angle of base of hill as 30 degrees. Find the distance of hill from the ship and height of the hill. Question number 39. A capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres at each of its ends. Length of entire capsule is 12 millimeters. Diameter is 3 millimeters. How much medicine it can hold? Question number 40. Radisson sphere is increased by 25%. Find percentage increase in its surface area. Question number 41. Find the coefficient of variation of 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Question number 42. மூணு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க A, B, C. You have to verify. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Question number 42 is compulsory. Now we go for part 4. 8 mark questions. The last part of the question paper, part 4. Answer both 43A, state and prove angle bisector theorem, or construct triangle PQR such that QR equal to 5 cm, angle P 30 degrees, and the altitude from P to QR is 4.2 cm. Question number 44A. Discuss the natural solution using graph x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0, or draw the graph xy equal to 24, x comma y greater than 0. Using graph find y when x equal to 3 and x when y equal to 6. All the best for center. Start the test. Note the timings. Avoid cuttings. Put proper question numbers. 1 மார்க்குக்கு அந்த ஆப்ஷன் இல்லாமல் ஆன்சரும் எழுதுறீங்க. டோன்ட் ஆன்சர் மோர் தேன் ஆஸ்க். 10 கேள்வி அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு மேலே எழுதாதீங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 10 தான் they will be correcting. ஒரே கொஸ்டினை மாற்றி எழுதுறதும் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஸோ தட் will not give any marks. All the best.